Vezo 360. And here's another compact and very useful gadget. The Vezo 360 is a dash cam. It can be installed in just a few minutes. Once in place, the device begins to record everything that happens inside and outside the vehicle. Note that the camera has the ability to capture a 360-degree field of view. Thanks to the lack of blind spots, even the smallest details of an accident will be recorded. In this case, the camera footage may prove who is the culprit. By the way, the footage is sent to the official mobile application where it can be viewed, but there's more to it than that. The Vezo 360 can transmit images to your phone in real time. This is useful when the camera detects suspicious movement near the car. If something happens to the car, the owner gets a notification on their phone. The manufacturer has equipped Vezo 360 with an AI sleep detection feature. So, if the driver closes their eyes for too long, an alarm will go off. A flashing LED light on the camera will warn intruders that the car is under surveillance, scaring them away. And the last advantage is that the camera can be used for selfies. You can make high-quality photos and videos. The dashcam's price starts at $250.